uMorero nobehambisana namalungu omkhandlu uthi okumqoka njengamanje ukulekelela lomndeni wakwaXaba ukuthi ufihle amalungu omndeni ashone ngesikhathi kuwa lesi sakhiwo.
And we thought we should come and visit the family, address the issues that requires to be addressed. One, deal with the issues about those who passed on and how to assist and support the family. And also in the meantime, what interventions are we providing to the family?
Uphinde wadelula ukuthi ongoti babo bezakhiwo bathole ukuthi sasingakhiwanga ngendlela efanele lesi sakhiwo.
The structure collapsed, and I think the guys' experts from development planning did indicate that in the manner in which it was built was completely not even compliant, no plans whatsoever. So in essence, this place in itself was an illegal structure, which was not supposed to be there in the first place. But unfortunately, death has happened, and I guess we are now responsible to ensure that we give support.
Kulindeleke kumenyezelwe nezinhlelo zokususwa kwabantu kule ndawo njengoba bakhe ngokungemthetho.
Last year, I was here with the ward councillor. We conducted a site inspection. There is a site that was identified that we are working on already. Remember, for us to prepare a land, it takes time, but we had already commenced those processes. And upon completion, that's when we'll move everyone out of this area, because this area is suffering from a lot of environmental constraints.
Imeya kanye namalungu omkhandlu bahlanganise amakhanda namalungu omndeni wakwaXaba ukulekelela ngezinhlelo zokufihlwa kwabashone kulesi sigameko.